In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the carbon copy feature when replying to an email. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to include other recipients in an email thread without giving them the primary spotlight. Let's get started by heading over to gmail.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email address you want to work with, and be sure that you're doing this in a secure environment, particularly if you're on a shared computer. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to locate the email you wish to reply to. Whether this is in your inbox or another folder, find the message and click it open. Once you've read through the email and are ready to compose your reply, direct your attention to the bottom of the message. Here you'll see options like Reply, Reply All, and Forward. Click on Reply if you're responding to just one person or Forward if you're sending it on to new recipients. Either option will open a new window where you can type out your response. Once the reply window is open, you'll see a field labeled To, which is where the primary recipient's email address will go. However, since we're focusing on adding a carbon copy recipient, look to the right side of this field, and you'll notice a small link labeled CC. Click this, and you'll see a new field appear just beneath the To field. Now it's time to enter the email addresses of any recipients you wish to carbon copy. You can add multiple addresses by separating them with commas. Remember, adding someone in the CC field is like saying, I want to keep you in the loop, but this email isn't directly for you. It's useful for including people in the conversation who may benefit from knowing the exchange, but it's not necessary for them to take action. With your carbon copies set, it's time to focus on crafting your reply. Type out the message you want to send. Be clear and concise, providing any necessary context or information that your recipients will need. When you're satisfied with your message and have confirmed that all the right people are included, either in the To, CC, or even the BCC fields, you can go ahead and click Send. And that's it. You've successfully utilized the CC feature in Gmail to include additional recipients in your email response. By mastering this simple yet powerful feature, you'll be able to manage your communications more effectively, ensuring the right people are informed and engaged. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!